This Century 21 Real Estate Alliance property video is presented by Mercedes Albana less than bedroom greater than DRE number 01111950. Most sought after family community Plaza del Rey, pet friendly, a home where warm memories are made. This 3 bedrooms/2 baths, has an extra 1 office/room. Gorgeously maintained, sharp, flowing floor plan, kitchen with center island, eat-in kitchen, breakfast counter, new plush carpet, laminate floor in bathrooms and utility room, high ceiling with skylights, 2 inches wood blinds, dual pane windows. Brand new stove/oven, microwave, washer and dryer. High quality pavered driveway including barbecue area, carport for 2 cars, heavy duty high quality shed included. Park amenities include 3 pools, spas, clubhouses, new gym/fitness, billiards and game